cracked it right up, eh? Jeez.
That's a pretty solid finger, and that's a pretty solid. Yeah, right to the boat. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at this boat.
Ooh, that was bashing the hell out of that all night long. Jesus. Oh man, what a mess, eh?
Yes. How's your boat, Mark?
A little road rash and a few stretched out things, busted tiller extension, but all pretty good. I think I made out better than most.
Yeah,
Is that the damage on the back of the boat?
Yeah.
There?
Yeah, you can see it here.
Yeah, right
You
down
can
to
see
the
it
water
deep
line.
in there, babe.
Can you? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was
All
back
the way
to the
along.
side.
You can see up on the starboard.
So maybe it's sunk out here somewhere.
Wow.
Maybe it's down below. Right here. Yeah, that's amazing to shear that cleat off. They must have just had it tight right up.
They're okay?
Yeah, they must have back that one. You guys see the doctors.
Holy broke up metal right off that stupid sailboat.
No way.
Oh, there's what's left of the breakwater.
Should run parallel with that one all the way down.
Is that right, eh? Down
It's down there somewhere.
So one sunk?
Yeah, one sunk, a sailboat. Three people watched it go.
No
Down.
way.
Well, it just cut the canvas a bit.
Should that be tighter or is that okay?
Tie. Any big fiberglass damage? Jib being destroyed, at least it was the old jib. Took down the good one.
Even busted this off.
Wow.
Oh, I mean, it doesn't look how it ripped everything out,
Oh, right, yes.
right? But have you ever seen this?
I know, I've seen several, I know.
The ball with a happy face on it. It's just ironic, that's all. Do you know what I mean?
Wow, that's a...
Look at that.